day everyone. My name is Marijon Igot. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to install an old operating system, which is the MS-DOS version 6.22. So in order to install this MS-DOS, so first we're going to download a VirtualBox or virtual machines, which is the Oracle VM VirtualBox version 7.0.12. So this is it. Since my computer is Windows, so I'm going to choose Windows installer, this one. So we're going to download this one. So then click here. So now we're going to install this VM machine. So next, again click next. So yes, so warning, installing the Oracle VM virtual machine. Okay, it's okay. Yes. So yes. And then click install. Okay, so now we have now a virtual machine. So finish. So it will be open. So this one here. So let's minimize this for a while, because the next step is we're going to install the MS-DOS installer. So I found the installer here in this website. So this one. So we're going to download these 4 files here. So just click this one here, 4 files. Now it's starting. Okay, now I'm going to find this in folder, because we're going to extract this one since this is compressed. So I'm going to extract all, and let's choose desktop, so we could find it easier. So this one. So desktop, and then extract. Okay, so now our folder is here, this one. Okay, let's close this, close. So our folder is here. So let's check. See, we're going to use this one, this two, and this three for our installation. So let's close this one. And let's go to our virtual machine, this one here. Okay, now we're going to click this one, new here, new, and let's name it MS DOS. This is the folder that we are going to put. Okay, and then click next. Now we're going to allocate some base memory here. Let's say, let's just put 4. This one 4000 MB, and the processor we're going to use, let's say 5, just 5. This is okay. So and then click next. So we're going to create a virtual hard disk. So let's make it just I think 3 gig is okay for this one. Okay, and then click next. So this is our final options here, 3 gig, and then okay, and then let's click finish. Okay, so let's open now our VirtualBox, this one, and then we're going to, but first, before starting it, we're going to do the settings first. So this one, settings, and then the storage. So we're going to use this one, and the fluffy device, and then click here to choose our desk, the one that we downloaded a while ago, this one. So this one is for the setup. So click this one and then open. So and then okay. So now since it is already being set up, so let's start. So the installation process is now I think we are going to make this big scale mode. Okay, so let's make it big. So welcome to setup. So the setup program prepares MS-DOS 6.22 to run on your computer. So setup. Now press enter. So we're going to press enter. Enter. And then setup needs to configure the unallocated space on your hard disk for use with MS-DOS. So none of your existing files will be affected. So to have setup configure the space for you, choose the recommended option. So we're going to choose this one, configure unallocated disk space, recommend. So this is the recommended. So we're going to choose this one, and then we're going to press enter. So setup will restart your computer now. Please make sure setup, this one is in drive A. So since we already put the test one in our virtual drive, so let's continue and press enter. Okay, so formatting hard disk drive. So you have configured some of this yes, with MS-DOS. So this space is being formatted. So formatting the drive C. So let's just wait for this one to be finished. Okay, setup will use the following 12, 21, 23. Okay, so the settings are correct. Yes, the settings are correct. So let's choose the settings are correct. So if all the settings are correct, press enter. So we are going to press enter. So setup will place your MS-DOS files in the following directory: C DOS. To place MS-DOS file in the directory, press enter. So we're going to press enter again. Okay, now let's wait for the completion of this one. Okay, so please insert the following disk in drive A setup. Okay, so this time the computer needs the disk 2. So we're going to open the file again in here, this one. And then we're going to click again the storage and then the floppy disk, and let's choose the file number 2 and then open. Then click OK, and then Just minimize this one and then click enter. So as you can see, the computer continue to download the file. So again, the computer asked again the desk number 3. So again, let's go to our machine and then click again settings and then storage and then the floppy disk, and then this one here, you need to choose the disk 3, this one, and then open, then click OK, then minimize this one, and then we're going to enter here. Let's wait for the completion of this installation. So the computer asks remove this from all floppy disk drives and then press enter. Okay, so we're going to remove the file. Oops. There's no remove this one. We're going to remove from this, from virtual drive, then click OK. So it is now empty. Okay, and then let's close it and minimize this one, and then let's click enter here. So MS-DOS setup complete. So MS-DOS is now installed on your computer. To restart your computer with MS-DOS 6.22, press enter. To learn more about MS-DOS features, type help. So we're going to press enter to restart the system. So this is now our operating system. Let's try this one. It's here. Okay, the directory. Okay, so that's it. So this is how to install this operating system. So on my next video, I'm going to demonstrate or have a walkthrough of this operating system. So thank you for watching and good day.